We're at Kahului Heliport at the airport with CEO of Blue Hawaiian Helicopters, Dave Chevalier. Dave, I'm so looking forward to today's tour. Where are we going?
Today we're going on the West Maui, 30 to 35 minute, really action-packed. We'll go into Waihe'e Valley, which really meanders to the heart of the mountain. And the mountain itself is a virtual reservoir of water with all of the faults and lava tubes through it, so you'll see a lot of waterfalls that are coming right out of the valley wall. From there, we'll come around and see the tall waterfall of Honokahau. We filmed part of Jurassic Park in that valley. Turn the corner above Kanapali and Lahaina, come into Launiopokos, see Oluwalu, parts of Iao Valley. And back to the heliport. So, are you ready to fly?
I am so ready, Dave.
Let's go.
Thanks.
Tomorrow, a bird's eye view of Hana and Haleakala.